My name is Prashant. Our today's topic is types of libraries. Types of libraries, which includes national library, academic, public, special, digital libraries, virtual libraries, and hybrid libraries. Coming to national libraries are libraries which are maintained out of government funds, and it serves as a whole nation, not like a part of the nation. For example, National Library of our India, which is located in Kolkata, uh, as it is Kolkata is in West Bengal, it does not serve for only that a particular state, but the library serves and maintained for purpose of whole India. Like only the books available in the National Library are used only for reference only. Usually, this library act has a copyright libraries. The function of such libraries collect and preserve of posterity. Posterity means nothing but the books, the periodical newspapers, and other documents published in this uh, country are maintained for future reference purpose. This is the best done by law requiring the publisher to deposit copy of all publication issued by them and books purchased being published in other countries. Functions of National Library. It acts as a produce national bibliography, holds and keep up to date a large representative collection of foreign literature, including books about the country. Right. It acts as a national bibliographical information center. It compiles union catalogs, right, and publish retrospective bibliographies to provide leadership among libraries. It provides leadership among libraries, like it serves as permanent repository for all publication issued in the country, to serve as coordinating center for cooperative activities, to provide service to government. Right? National Library, the important service includes acquisition and processing of library material for other libraries, recycling and uh, disposing of materials acquired from other libraries, right? Uh, it also acts as a serve as a central support of reference, consultation, loan, document delivery services by other libraries. It give assistant like professional and technical assistant to other libraries for establishing planning, management and advice, coordinating, etc. So it acts as a leader. It shows leadership, and it also research development relating to the development of services and literature program using constituent and affiliated libraries, has Center for Library Promotion. Right. National Library of India, as I earlier mentioned, it is located in Kolkata. It has more than 2.2 million books and other materials. The library builds its collection through Delivery of Books and Newspapers Act in 1956. Uh, According to this act, every book or first copy of book publication must be deposited or given in the must one or two copy must be given to the National Library of India, and books by acquired through purchase, gifts, exchange, and other depository privileges. The majority of the collection are in English and other Indian languages. and few are from foreign languages. Books and journals on India. The book collection includes books and journals on India in any language published anywhere in the country. Then Indian publication published before 1954 and not available in the country. Books by Indian author published abroad. Standard references and other things like you can see books on library documentation, information science, science and technology, the science and technology, planning, development, standard works and history, sociology, biographies of eminent people, rare and out of print books on microfilms and other standard works. We can see all these kinds of books are maintained in the maintained, purchased, and maintained records of all these books in National Library. Thank you. This you can see the picture. Uh, National Library.